So I need b squared minus 4ac. B is 0, A is 9, and C is negative 4. Now let's reduce carefully. So 0 squared is just 0. I'm going to have negative 4 times 9 is 36 times negative 4. 0, double negative is going to turn into plus. I don't know what this is. 36 times 4, 72, 144. Confirm, deny. Is that right? So we got 144. Now, what does that mean? What do I do with that number? What was the purpose of this? Just to torture you, obviously. But beside that, you can actually use this number now. You go over to your chart, and 144 is which one of these, right? So is it 0? Is it equal 0? No, obviously 144 is not the same as 0. Is it positive, meaning greater than 0? Yes, it is. That means that this would be a hyperbola. That's what the 144 tells us. So again, this thing, this b squared minus 4ac that goes underneath the quadratic formula square root is called the discriminant, and it is used to help you figure out which conic section you're dealing with. So we just figured out that this is a hyperbola. And then of course, if we needed to graph it or whatever, we can change it to standard form.